Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the derivation of the double angle identities and half angle identities. So simulan natin muna doon sa double angle identities. Now, for this one, for the cosine of twice of angle theta, that's equal to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, what we're going to do, para ma-derive natin yung double angle identity na yan, gagamitin natin yung sum and difference identities of cosine function. Kung natatandaan nyo pa, we have cosine theta plus beta is equal to cosine sin, so that is cosine alpha, cosine beta. This is plus, this is minus. Cosine sin sine alpha, sine beta. Okay. So, yan ang gagamitin natin para ma-derive natin yung first double angle identity natin. That is cosine 2 theta. So, cosine 2 theta, ito yung proof. So, cosine 2 theta can be written as the sum of theta and another theta. So, that is equal to cosine theta plus theta. Now, theta plus theta is 2 theta. So, equal lang yung dalawa. So, pagkatapos nun, gagamitin na natin yung ating sa cosine of alpha plus beta. That's equal to cosine alpha, cosine beta, minus sine alpha, sine beta. Itong alpha natin is theta, beta is also theta. So, this is equal to cosine alpha, alpha is theta also. Cosine theta, so this is cosine theta, and times cosine beta is cosine theta pa rin. Minus sine theta, sine theta. Dito yung alpha nyo, ito yung beta nyo. Okay? So, cosine theta times cosine theta, that is cosine squared theta. Minus sine theta times sine theta is sine squared theta. So, mapapansin nyo, na-prove na natin yung ating first double identity, which is cosine 2 theta. And for the second double angle identity, which is also cosine 2 theta, ang gagamitin na lang natin ay yung ating Pythagorean identity. Okay? Yung ating Pythagorean identity is this one. So, we have sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Other form of this Pythagorean identity ay magagawa natin if we're going to transpose either sine squared theta to the right side or cosine squared theta to the right side of our equation. So, kung sine squared theta ang ating itatranspose, so we have cosine squared theta muna i-transpose. So, we have sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cosine squared theta. Kapag naman yung ating sine squared theta, transpose natin to the other side, we have another, makapag-form tayo ng other identity. So, that is cosine squared theta. So, itong ililipat ko doon. So, magiging 1 minus sine squared theta. So, itong gagamitin natin, itong isa, tsaka ito, in deriving the other two double angle identities natin na si cosine 2 theta. So, paano yan? So, again, we have cosine 2 theta. So, kung itong gagamitin natin, i-replace na natin si sine squared theta. So, na mangyayari ay cosine squared theta minus 1 minus cosine squared theta. Okay. Distribute natin o yung tanggalin yung parenthesis. We have cosine squared theta minus 1 plus cosine squared theta. We have cosine squared theta plus another cosine squared theta, that is 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. So, mapapansin nyo, na-derive na natin yung second double angle identity for cosine function. Okay. At yung isa naman, from here, pwede nating ma-derive yung third double angle identity natin. Okay na to. Ito na lang isa. So, ang gagamitin naman natin, ito. Okay? Galing ko na to, ha? Okay. So, from here, that is cosine 2 theta is equal to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. So, isasubstitute ko naman ay si cosine squared theta, which is 1 minus sine squared theta, to this identity. So, we have, this will be replaced by 1 minus sine squared theta minus sine squared theta. So, we have 1 negative sine squared theta minus sine squared theta, that is minus 2 sine squared theta. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo, na-prove na natin yung first three double angle identities. And that is for cosine 2 theta. Okay? So, ganun lang ang pag-prove ng ating first three double angle identities. And if you want to derive sine 2 theta and tangent 2 theta, gagamitin nyo rin yung ating sum and difference identities for sine and tangent functions. Okay? So, isasama ko na lang yon sa inyong activity sheet. Thank you.